ano yung pinagsasabi mo.
Mayara, tadi nga upod, pero secret lang kung sino. Nakita niyo yung braso. Chamomile tea for good sleep. Kasi uuwi na sila. Oh! Yay! So this is my friend Mon. Siyempre, back view kasi mysterious. I'm mysterious! We are currently here at Coffee Break La Paz na branch. And this is the second floor. This is actually my first time to go in this branch. So, yeah. Let's take a coffee break. Oy, eto yung friend ko. Eto yung friend ng friend ko. Eto yung magiging friend ko. Thank you po, kuya. Thank you. And welcome to the City of Love. Welcome to the City of Love. Kusig na. Actually, ano yung balangik?
Ano bang isasagot dyan? Click the notification bell and subscribe.
Okay.
Happy? Happy? Drunk. Drunk?
Yes.
Oo. Mamiss ko gina. Mamiss kong yes, mamiss kong kanta. Mamiss takay. Wala na. Okay lang, huli ka na kung hindi ka. Ay, diba? Oo. Naka-subscribe na, naka-follow na. Perfect.
Tiwa, oy man to chase mga, oy man to chase mga, oy man to chase mga.
Nakakabangbang! Oh my gosh! I-delete na to, pero badaan yung hindi scripted, nakakonvlog ha. Wala. Pero pwede na to ma-delete. Once again, we are here at La Paz and I would end my vlog. Baka may iba pa kayong malalaman. So, we have here coffee, and of course the chamomile tea here at Coffee Break. Bye-bye! Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindutan ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimdin. Ruby Inspired!